Namaste friends. Thank you so much for your valuable participation. So let's start for this small but meaningful session of mindfulness meditation. Yes, a guided journey towards the mind, through the mind, for the mind. Yes. So let's understand and flow with this journey of mindfulness meditation. First, we all have to sit silently in a comfortable manner, in a cross-legged seated posture, spinal cord straight. Make yourself relax. Now, while making yourself relaxed and comfortable, we simply have to gently lead our focus towards my words and sentences. You just have to become a listener. Yes, just to listen and just to flow with this very essence of listening, that is guided journey of mindfulness meditation. Making yourself comfortable, we will start this journey of mindfulness meditation. Simply, first we have to understand the concept of mindfulness. So, to understand the mindfulness, there may be a 3 dimension of mindfulness. We can explore these 3 dimensions. First, the known dimension, that is mindfulness means being in this very moment, now and here. Yes, the first dimension. The second one is being in the mind and using mind at its higher. Yes, becoming with the mind. More over with the mind, less with the surroundings, but being with the mind, the second dimension. The third one is there are no boundaries of present moment or being in this now and here concept. The third dimension explores the journey of timelessness, means we have to be with the mind wherever it leads us. We have to be with it. Means if mind is dreaming, we have to be present with it in dreaming. If mind is in subconscious level, then we have to be with mind as an observer of the mind. Yes, mind is observing the dream, mind is experiencing the dream, or mind is dreaming about the past incidents or experiences, thinking about the past experiences or incidents. But while thinking of it, we have to be with the mind as an observer. Like senses are horses of the chariot and mind is the charioteer, and we are sitting behind the mind as an owner or king of this chariot, or the powerhouse or the decision maker of this chariot sitting behind the charioteer, and mind is the charioteer who is leading us, experiencing everything while sitting in front of us. But we have to observe mind as an observer. We have to be with it as a controller, as a guided tool, as a guided power. The third dimension is very useful in the journey of spirituality. The first one, observing the surrounding in the present moment, now and here. The second one, being with the mind wherever it goes. Use the mind 100%. Yes, utilizing the mind 100%. When we are working something, we have to be with the mind with our 100% potential. But in the second dimension, mind is involved, and even the existence. But in third dimension, only mind is involved and there is a state of timelessness. We can move with the mind in the future as well as in the past, as well as in the imagination, as well as in the nowhere state. Yes, there is no boundary for the third dimension of mindfulness. But we will start with the first one, being in this moment now and here, observing with our full potential of the mind now and here. Right. So at the helicopter level, we have understand the fundamentals or basic dimensions of the mindfulness. Now we will start the journey of guided meditation for the mindfulness. Now relax, make yourself comfortable, being in this very moment of now and here. Make your body more comfortable, make your breathing more relaxed and comfortable, make your mind more calmer, relaxed and comfortable. In the initial level, just try to attain the state of solitude, relaxation in the beginning. Wherever you lead these three aspects of our life, body, breath and mind, in tune these three and flow them towards the mindfulness. Now relax. Now slowly sitting in this posture of cross-leg sitting in Sukhasana, spinal cord straight, while making ourselves relax. Now simply place our both hands one on one over a lap in Dhyan Mudra. Perfect. While making yourself relax, deep breathing, inhale, feel the breathing, exhale, 3 times more while focusing over the breathing. Inhale deeply, exhale through mouth this time, 2 times more. Inhale, feel the breathing, exhale, last one with observation of the breath. Inhale, exhale and relax. Now relax, sit in Dhyan Mudra, make yourself comfortable. While making yourself relax, simply, gently, now close your eyes, close your eyes. Now we're leading towards the mindfulness meditation. Close your eyes. There is no hurry, nowhere to go. Sit silently, experience the flow of mindfulness. Relax, shant, comfortable. While closing the eyes, sitting in Dhyan Mudra in comfortable manner. Deep breathing, inhale, exhale through nose. Feel relaxation while exhalation. Inhale and exhale through nose. Again, inhale and exhale. Now we will start to explore the first dimension of the mindfulness, being in this very moment, now and here, sitting silently, doing nothing and just observing this very surrounding, this very moment of present, now and here, with the body, with the aura, with the surrounding, with the existence, with the breathing, with the mind, with the energy. Whatever present in this very moment, we have to observe this all, feel this all as a whole element, experience yourself. Who are you? What are you feeling about yourself is matter in this moment and in this journey of mindfulness. Observing the self, observing the present moment, observing the surrounding now and here, now and here. Relax, comfortable. See, we are sitting silently now and here in this very moment. Relax yourself.